How to sell digital garden planning guides on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then we proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 6 steps to go through to create your Etsy shop. So let's just start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's change the currency to the United States dollar to avoid any confusion in the future. Then we click on save and continue to proceed to naming your shop. So for the name, make sure to choose something that is related to the products that you are selling. So for me, I'm just going to use my niche's name as my shop name, and here let's shorten the name to be 20 characters or less. That's good. Then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to stock in your shop. So the first step is adding as many photos as you can so buyers can see every detail. And here guys, you will need to at least upload one photo of your product. So in order, when you click on save and continue, you will be able to proceed to the next step. So here, to proceed to the next step, we will need to at least upload one photo, then fill this inventory and pricing, then complete these listing details, and then we will have to set our shipping settings. So here, let's start from the beginning with photos. And here for photos, use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then here you click on add a video to upload your video. And guys, for the video section, it's not important like the photos. As you can see in here, we have just four required sections to proceed to the next step. So if you have a video that's good, that's better. If not, it's okay. It won't do us any harm. Then we have the listing details, where we start with the title. Include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So here, I'm just going to go again with the niche's name. And then about this listing, you have 3 answers to answer. We start with who made it. You have 3 options: I did, a member of my shop, another company, or person. So let's go with I did. And then we have what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. And when did you make it? You have 3 categories in here: not yet made, recently, and vintage. Let's go with recently and 2020, between 2020 and 2023. Then for the category, type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So here, let's type our category in here and we choose from these lists. Let's go with the first one. Then here we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of our product, secondary color, the occasion. Here you type to search for an occasion. Then we have the holidays. You type to search for holidays in here. You have, so here we have the Easter, Kwanzaa, and we are missing, it's in the occasion. I wanted to show you the Eid. I think it's in the occasion. It's not in the occasion as well. Just type it in holiday. So you don't have it in here. That's not a problem. Then we have the renewal options. So here you have two options if you want the automatic renewal or the manual one. I'm going to choose the manual one. It's free. Then we have the type if you have a physical product or a digital product. I'm going to leave it with physical. Then we have the description. So guys, if you want to write a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. So here, make sure to type a good description for your product. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can just add them in here. You can add the production partner, location, about the production partner, and the rest of its information. Then we have these three optional details like the section, tags, materials. I'm going to skip them for later. Then we have the price in here. Make sure to calculate all of your fees, charges, profits, and all of your costs of that product, and give a good price for your product, a fair price for you and for your clients. Then we have the domestic and global pricing if you want to turn it on or off, and for the quantity, type it in here. Then we have the shipping settings. So here you choose the country of origin, the country of that product, then the origin postal code, processing time in here. Then we have the standard shipping and everywhere else, and also the shipping upgrades. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges. So here you can choose the first one, which is the returns and exchanges in 30 days. Buyer is responsible for return shipping costs and any loss in value if any item isn't returned in original condition. You can apply this one, or you can just choose another policy. And here you click on create policy to create your own policy with your own terms. So you can disable the returns and the exchanges. Then you click on save and apply. Or if you want to choose one of them or both of them, change the time frame, you can do whatever you want. And when you're done, you click on save and apply. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.